Why should you plant Jerusalem artichokes? Well, first of all, they're full of vitamins and minerals. They grow anywhere. So you can pretty much grow them, in the worst soil ever, and you will get Jerusalem artichokes. They're a wonderful tuber, and they're not actually from Jerusalem. They have nothing to do with Jerusalem, nor do they have anything to do with artichokes. So I'm really not sure why they're named that. Besides, I think there was a mix-up in the way people were saying it. But they're called Sunchokes. They are, they're part of the sunflower family. So this is where they grow from here. Here's their root, and you can continue to grow them. They're very, very invasive. They'll take over just about anything, but they're wonderful to eat, high in nutrition, fantastic with rosemary, like a little olive oil, a little rosemary on top of that, and just sauteed. Just so good. You can make soups out of them. There's so many things that you can do with these little artichokes in the sunflower family. You can order them if you want them, or if you see some, even just on the side of the road or something, you can get it and just put it in the ground, and it will grow and it will spread. You can put them along where you would put a hedge. And they're about this tall. Here are the old limbs from these Jerusalem artichokes, and the root is what you eat. So they grow about 10 feet tall, and they're just perfect for hedges. You will put these in the ground about 4 inches apart, and if you want their roots to really spread, maybe about 10 inches apart, and then just let them grow. That's really it. They grow in any kind of soil just about. They do need to be watered, but really I haven't watered them at all. I just let the rain get it. And I'm about to start my garden, so I've got a lot of soil amending to do, but these I don't have to do anything to. If you have Jerusalem artichokes, you already have them, share them with a friend. Let them know that you love them. Give them to them. They're going to love it. They're going to have more energy. They're going to have better heart health. And they're just going to love sitting down and eating them. They're just so great. Check out the text for a few recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Good to see you.